The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a compact but feature-packed dashcam that is the current flagship of the range. And as well as recording video, it has voice control, GPS and a range of safety systems. These include forward collision and lane departure warnings, plus a go alert to signal when the traffic ahead sets off, and alerts about upcoming red light and speed cameras. It also has an optional parking mode that monitors when your vehicle is parked and switch off. As with other Garmin dashcams, up to 4 can be fitted to the same vehicle with their video feed synchronized using the Garmin Drive app. The camera records to a microSD card and has a display and buttons on the rear, so it can be set up and used without the smartphone app, adding to its simplicity. A key feature of the Dashcam 67W is how it blends together top-notch dashcam features with a compact design. That 1440 pixel resolution is beyond full HD and comes with HDR for improved clarity in tricky lighting conditions. There is also audio recording if you need it, but we generally prefer to keep that switched off in the interests of passenger privacy. It can be switched on or off by saying "Okay Garmin, switch audio recording on or off." On that note, the voice recognition works really well and is a convenient way to save video or photos. Video is automatically saved when a collision is detected. The Garmin safety features work well and make good use of the display, providing it can easily be seen by the drivers. It turns red to warn of a forward collision, yellow when you drift out of your lane, and sounds an alert when you fail to notice the vehicle ahead has set off. These can each be switched off if you don't want them. About the size of a small matchbox, we think the Dashcam 67W is a great size. It is compact enough to be hidden behind the central rearview mirror while packing a good set of features and hardware credentials. The black plastic finish is subtle and well-made, and would feel comfortable leaving the camera permanently installed in a car without worrying about someone trying to steal it. The screen mount is tiny, consisting of a coin-sized magnet that sticks to the screen with adhesive, then snaps magnetically to a small arm that attaches to the camera with an adjustable ball and socket joint. It's a smart but simple system that takes up very little space and makes it easy to adjust, remove and replace the camera in just a couple of seconds. A second adhesive magnet is included, making it easy to switch the Garmin between two vehicles. There is very little to say about the performance, and that's a great thing. The Garmin works precisely how you would hope, recording high quality video and serving up useful alerts if you have them switched on. Voice control is responsive and setup is very quick and easy. The lens is very wide at 180 degrees, creating some fisheye distortion, but we still feel the footage is accurate, clear and would certainly be useful as evidence in a collision. It's a truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features and which records top quality video. It's not the cheapest, but it is a top-notch dashcam that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Even the mounting system is super simple. It's a must-buy.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day communities.